Good morning, vlog fam. Welcome back. Today is day 2 of San Diego. Yesterday, I didn't really feel like vlogging after we got dinner at Homestyle Hawaiian, and that was mainly just because I was tired of vlogging for the whole day. I literally pulled out my phone so many times, and anyone who has vlogged before or is in the vlogging game knows that, like, bruh, like, you don't need to vlog every single moment, even though, like, you feel like it is. You know what I'm saying? Like when I was in the USS Midway, I was trying to take my phone out for every single moment while I was on that ship just to immerse the viewers in the experience. And then I realized, you know what? I'm not even enjoying the experience myself, you know? So just a reminder to anyone who vlogs, just have a good balance of like what's work. Make sure you're enjoying the experience as well. Don't just like try to capture everything on camera, because not everything needs to be on camera, all right guys? It's really just for your own memories. So just capture what you think is most important to you. And if it's like, you know, there you might capture some B-roll, but don't make everything B-roll, because at the end of the day, it's not about the B-roll that makes the story. It's the essence and how you narrate the story that makes a good vlog. So pro tip right there, something that I'm still currently working on, but you know, progress is progress. So today I'm gonna just be a little bit more intentional with what kind of shots that I capture, and try not to just take out my phone so many times or my camera, because it's just exhausting, guys. It's just exhausting, and it is exhausting having to, you know, capture every single moment of your life and put it on camera for, you know, the audience to watch, because your life is just so amazing. You know what it is, guys. But, you know, I got to keep the viewers fed, and I got to keep them, you know, asking for more, right, guys? I also realized that I didn't actually vlog the apartment that we're staying in, which is like an Airbnb. And pro tip, guys, if you're traveling, make sure you get an Airbnb, because hotels are steep, man. I'll show you this place. This place was like $500 for, I think, 5 nights, so $100 a night. But it's huge compared to what you would get at a hotel, and I'm referring to like Hilton here specifically. But Hilton was charging 200 something a night in San Diego, with not only that, and that's just the base price of the hotel. Like with the parking lot or with the parking space, it's an additional $50 or something, guys, a night. So $150 a night just for a 2-bedroom room. Such a ripoff. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all this hotel tour, but basically we have 2 65-inch OLED TVs, well-decorated boutique hotel with our own kitchen, fully stocked fridge. Wi-Fi is like 400 megabytes, not including the Wi-Fi, because the hotels will make you pay for the Wi-Fi too nowadays. Like, what the heck, hotel business? Why you doing that? Like, that's why people are on the Airbnb game right now, man. It doesn't make any sense. But today we're gonna go ahead and go for a little hike, go up this place called Anna's Canyon, right? Annie Canyon. Probably go to Torrey Pines State Park, possibly to go hike, get some more drone shots. Obviously, I got my drone bag with me. I don't know. We don't know where the day will take us. We'll see. But yesterday we went to Sunset. I went to Sunset Cliffs to get some drone shots that I'll insert into the footage here. Excited to see how the vlog turns out, guys. I know I'm yapping for like the last 5 minutes. I don't think anyone is still paying attention, but if I cut this down, I'll just get like the good parts of the conversation. But yeah, guys, I'll see y'all later. Peace. Currently on this trail, Annie's Canyon. Honestly, it seems to be a pretty relatively easy hike if you are a young, healthy adult. So possibly not me, but we out here trying our best. Definitely not that crazy though. I'd say probably easy to moderate. It's a little steep. All right, guys, so we just made it to Annie Canyon Trail. Honestly, it's pretty steep, but the view is actually kind of nice. Yeah. It's very, what is that? Squishy? What's the word? Tight, very tight is what I mean. Yeah, like, honestly, look how like narrow these steps are to climb up. It's insane. Like, I really have to maneuver myself.
Ryan, you get one of me?
Yeah, I gotcha. Dude, I might be too overweight to fit through, bro.
Right.
It's crazy. Okay, I made it up, but like, dude, look at this, bro. It's so steep. All right. All right, guys, so we just finished Annie Canyon. How's the hike?
Not too bad. It was getting pretty steep higher up, but I thought it was a pretty solid hike. Haven't experienced anything that like narrow before, but it's honestly a pretty cool experience.
Oh, dude, look how narrow this is. It's crazy.
Huh.
Pretty tight, dude. I think I'm gonna stop vlogging now.
Yeah.
All right.
You could continue to go up.
It was pretty narrow, guys. So I would say that if you're overweight, don't try to do the hike because there's like a very tight squeeze at the very end of it. And I'm talking about like physically wide, because if you are like just too physically wide, I think I was like kind of barely, not barely, but because I'm not really overweight like that. But I actually am kind of overweight like that. But like I'm saying, if you're obese, I wouldn't recommend.
I wouldn't recommend carrying any heavy backpacks either.
Yeah,
it's gonna be pretty difficult to.
True. I was carrying my sling, which has like my camera gear, some other miscellaneous stuff, and my drone bag too. And yeah, I would honestly recommend that you just come with your phone, keys, be as nimble as possible. So we made it though. This is the view.
Nice view though. Top. A nice view of this waterway.
The canyon. It's crazy. But yeah, guys, I'm not using the Osmo because the Osmo is way too fragile, and if I drop it, kind of GG. So I'm not trying to risk that. It's also just easier to get using my phone too. So that's pretty much it. See y'all later. Alright guys, so we actually decided to make a little quick pit stop at UCSD, and I wanted to visit UCSD because one of my favorite creators in tech, Mayuko, shout out to Mayuko, went to UCSD. We're gonna check out UCSD because apparently it has the most beautiful library in the world, or one of them, and then the engineering building has a house that falls off the roof apparently. So first time on a UC campus, I think. No, I've been on UCLA campus, but not UCSD, so looking forward to it. Alright guys, so we're just at the Geisel Library, I think that's how you say it, at UCSD. Fun fact, did you know that Inception was apparently filmed here? That's pretty crazy. Alright, we just finished at UCSD. I'm probably gonna head back to the car now. Honestly, just checked out the library, which was pretty cool, externally at least. The exterior of the library is pretty dope. Also walked by the UC/Price Center/University Center. It's pretty standard university center, nothing crazy. And then the engineering school. I honestly really F with the engineering school, and also I kind of like how the university has a lot of like decorations. Like there's a Dr. Seuss statue, and then just other like little golden eggs sprinkled around the campus. So I thought that was pretty cool. So overall, pretty cool campus. I'd recommend that you check it out. That's pretty much it for the UCSD part of this vlog, guys. So thanks for tuning in. Engineering school is dope. Shout out to Qualcomm. Shout out to Tech Boys up, and Tech Women up as well. So Tech People up. That's pretty much it, guys. I'll see y'all later. Peace. Guys, so we just made it back to the hotel. And FYI, I think this whole vlog today will be filmed on iPhone. I'm just really lazy, dude. I don't feel like pulling out the Osmo today, as long as the iPhone can do basically the bare necessities. So that just proves that the iPhone is completely capable if you want to start vlogging, FYI. Basically, after UCSD, me and my friend, we ended up going to the taco stand, which is one of the best taco places in San Diego. I've already been to Tacos El Gordo, and my friend recommended that I should try taco stand, as well as Feed Maymay. I watched it on one of her San Diego vlogs, and so I wanted to check it out. Honestly, it looked very like a gentrified version of like street tacos, but you know, I'm gonna trust my friends at the end of the day. So if they said go to taco stand, if Feed Maymay said go to taco stand, then you know, I'm gonna try taco stand. And it did not disappoint. It definitely tasted a lot cleaner than Tacos El Gordo. So if you know what I mean, like when you have like greasy good tacos, like yeah, they are good, but they just don't feel like very clean and good for you, that's more on the tacos El Gordo spectrum. And then if you want to have something that is clean and fills you up, tastes a little bit more healthy, then I would go with Taco Stand. But both are very good in their own way. I say Tacos El Gordo is more of like a greasy, taco versus an oily, which is still good. But Taco Stand has more of the typical beach, taco options like shrimp, blah, 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 blah. If you're looking for like, beef head or lengua or whatever else, go to Tacos El Gordo. But overall, Taco Stand, I still highly rate it. They make everything like super fresh. You can even see the employees like, cooking in front of you. Tacos were bomb. Everything was on like a corn tortilla pretty much. I got the shrimp, the al pastor, the pork, the beef, the Baja shrimp. Bro, the Baja shrimp taco was pretty bomb. I recommend that. They battered the fish really well, so I'd recommend that. I think that's the most memorable taco at Taco Stand, in my opinion. But overall, solid place. We went to the original one in La Jolla. Overall, it's pretty bomb, dude. So that's as much as I have. I'm probably just gonna chill at the Airbnb right now, get some work done. Stay tuned, I'm just gonna edit, and then I'll see y'all later. Peace. Guys, we're just editing right now on the balcony of our Airbnb in San Diego. So that's what I've been doing the last, as you can see my iPhone. That's what I've been doing the last few hours after we got back from eating Taco Stand, just chilling at the Airbnb, taking a nap, taking a shower. And honestly, I feel like I should have optimized my time more to like be outside in San Diego, but just needed to rest. Push out this video, July 15th. Gonna decide where we go. We'll keep y'all updated, all right? Peace. All right, what's up, y'all? So we are at On's Dry Cleaning, which is not a dry cleaning store, but actually a gelato shop in San Diego, North Park specifically. And the line is so long. Like, look at this line. I can't believe this many people are waiting for gelato on a Tuesday. Just the gelato better be good. That's all I gotta say. The gelato better be good. The reviews are like 5 stars, and there's a huge line. Like, that's the front. That's the back. Anything you want to say?
No, just this better be one of the best ice cream places we've ever had. Just top 3. Better be in the top 3.
We'll see.
With this line.
I mean, honestly, it's like 10 p.m. right now in San Diego, so I don't know. If this many people are waiting on a Tuesday, it just kind of shows if the hype is worth it. So we'll see. I'll let you know. Stay tuned, subscribe, make sure you follow along for more food updates. I'll let y'all know if it's hype or not. All right, peace. Trying the cone, guys. Did you end up getting? What flavor was that Worth the wait, guys. And we have really good service here. They let me try every single flavor. They even insisted on it. Highly recommend. The wait can be long, but it's bomb. I got the midnight chocolate flavor, the cypress, and the velour. It's a really rich, decadent flavor. The cream is really creamy. Overall, recommend. The chocolate is very chocolatey, 90% chocolate. Insane. Diabetes who?